Efficiency and compliance are the twin pillars of modern maritime operations. For vessels utilizing the Panasia GloEn-Patrol Ballast Water Treatment System, BWTS, the quality of UV lamps determines whether you pass inspection or face costly delays. Fiverr Environment Group Ltd offers a premium, cost-effective alternative to OEM spares, providing high-performance medium-pressure (MP) UV lamps and quartz sleeves engineered for seamless integration. High-performance lamp replacements. The GloEn-Patrol system relies on high-intensity UV output to neutralize invasive species in low-UVT water. Fiverr's lamps are designed to match the exact electrical and physical parameters of the original units. Available models: PUL 3.5_1, 3.5 kilowatts, 435 millimeters. PUL 3.5_2, 3.5 kilowatts, 480 millimeters. Technical advantages: polychromatic output. Broad-spectrum UVC delivery ensures total DNA, RNA inactivation. Full dimming compatibility. Fully compatible with Panasia electronic ballasts for energy-efficient, clean water operation. Extended lifespan. Rated for up to 8,000 operational hours, ensuring synchronization with standard maintenance cycles. Superior quartz protection. A UV lamp is only as effective as its housing. Fiverr provides high-purity synthetic quartz sleeves designed to withstand the rigors of the engine room. 90% plus transmittance. Maximizes UVC dose delivery to the water column. Thermal shock resistance. Built to survive rapid temperature shifts during the cleaning in place (CIP) process. Precision sealing. Flame-polished ends ensure a perfect, watertight fit with existing O-ring configurations. The Fiverr advantage, beyond the lamp. Why do global operators trust Fiverr Environment Group over OEM suppliers? Rigorous quality control. Every lamp undergoes a strict burn-in period to guarantee electrical stability and spectral accuracy. Strategic cost savings. Reduce your BWTS operational expenditure, OPEX, without compromising system integrity or type approval. Rapid global logistics. We maintain a deep inventory of Panasia-specific spares to ensure fast dispatch to major shipping hubs worldwide. Conclusion: don't let the OEM monopoly inflate your maintenance budget. Fiverr Environment Group provides the technical excellence and reliability required to keep your Panasia system running at peak performance.